Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Technophile Vasan. In this Python Funland series, we're gonna step up the next day, day 4. In this day 4, we're gonna see about the list, for loop, and the range function used in the for loop, how it's working. We're gonna see about that. List, organizing of data. A collection of data or similar data types is called a list. List is used to order your data. Like a queue, one man will stand. After that, one man will stand. Like a order, like ordering of your data is called as a list. Okay, we're gonna code to see practically. Like list. List is an inbuilt function. So we will give like lst a list equal to, we should use the square brackets to represent the list. We will store a string like techie hi, come on, what and all, welcome to our channel. Okay, this is the list that holding the data type of a string, collection of string data types. It will be stored in a single variable called lst. Now we're gonna print that lst. Shall I print? Yeah, all the members in the list is shown here. Let us print only the names, not this what the so-called apostrophe and comma and the square brackets. It's messy, right? By including a asterisk before the list that represents the member of the list. While printing this, only the members of the list is printed. This so-called is called members or elements present in the list. Elements in the list are printed here. If you want to do, someone will use for loop, someone will use join with for loop. I use asterisk symbol to represent the members in the string. These are the so-called members of the list. This list contains some operations in it, built-in operations. I'm gonna show you that built-in operations like this. Say in W3 schools, it has like append one. Append means it adds an element at the end of the list. Like clear removes all the elements from the list. Like copy, it returns a copy of the list. And the count means number of elements present in the list. And the extend, add an element to the list at the end of the current list. Moreover, append and extend means append is adding an element to the list, but extend will add a list to a list. I will show that. And an index which will returns the index of the element present in the list. Insert means to insert at a specific position. Like a pop will remove at a specific position. Remove that element if we give the elements as a correct one. It pop will just gets input as an index and it will pop it. Like remove it. Reverse will reverse the list, and sort will sort the list. Like 10 9 means it will print like 9 10, like so called sorting. I'll show it. First we're gonna learn lst dot append function. We will append what we will append itself. We're gonna print all the elements in the list. Yes, append is added in the list. Append is added to this list at the end. Now I'm gonna show you the insert function at 0th position. I'm gonna insert this append to the 0th position. That's before techie. Let's see the output. Yeah, before techie. This was inserted before the techie. This is a insert function, and what else? Like clear with all will clear. Yes, index. Index of high. Okay, we will get the index of high. Oh, okay, we should save in a variable, right? Like x is equal to this one and print that x. What is the index of high? It's 1, and our before printing we will count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer should be 4. Yeah, the answer is 4. This is how's the index function work. And then like sorting, right? I will show. Let me remove this. Okay, instead of this sorting, we will go with numbers like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. lst dot sort. Let me sort it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, like show before sorting. This is before sorting, and after sorting I will show lst dot sort print lst. This is before sorting. Oh, I forgot to add this. Like after. This is before sorting and this is after sorting. This is how the sorting works, and reverse reversing get sorted. I will give some other numbers. 98, comma 78, 75, 25, 45, 65, like this numbers. This is a normal one. This is a reversed one. See, 98, 78, 75, the normal list is printed, and the reverse is 65, 45, 25, and 75, 78, 98. Okay, the reverse function will reverse the list. Some kind of, these are the functions in the list. Now we're gonna see the for loop. Okay, how the for loop was. For I in like lst print I. Okay, the elements of the list is printed. How it's happened, how it happened here. Let me explain. This I represents the list. I in list means that I represents from 0 of the index of the 0 in the list to the end of the list. So it will call, this is 0, right? I in list means first it will indicate to 98 and print I, the I is printed here. Then again the loop is going, then next it will indicate 78, so 70 is printed. Again that the I then indicates the 75 and the 75 is printed here. What else can be done? It works with the strings also. Wait, welcome to hi techies channel. Okay, let me print this. Techie, welcome to our channel. Okay, let me make this as techies. Hi techies. That I represents the first element of the list and the second element and the third element and the fourth element and the fifth element. It completes. Okay, this is how it is printed. Now I equal to I plus. I will add another string. Okay, let me add hi to every string. Okay, it's messy. Techies hi, welcome hi to hi. Now the hi is added to the every element in the I, means the members of the list. Okay, this is how the for loop works here. And let me show a basic thing so you can understand. For range function, let me start a range function. I will take range of, you can give range of like 10. This will be printing 0 to 9. Okay, I starts from 0. Its initial value is always 0. Range of 10 means before 10 it will be printed. If you want 10 means you should give 11, so the 10 will be printed as an output. Before 10 you can initialize like 0 comma, like from 0 to 11, or I will give from 2 to 11, so the 0 and the 1 will be omitted here. Okay, here see, the 0 is omitted and the 1 is omitted. It starts from the first value and ends at the second value. If you want to skip to value means comma 2, the third one will skip. Okay, step up to the next. Okay, first 2 is printed, 2 skipped, 4, 2 skip, 6, 2 skip, 8 and 10. Like I want to skip 3, so 2, 5, 8. Yeah, same. First one indicates the starting position, middle one will indicate a destination position, the third one will be skipping the values. Okay, the middle one is the necessary one, and the starting and skipping is not necessary one. If that doesn't occur also, the range function will work in the for loop. Okay, let me print a len. Len is a function which gives the length of the list. We show that also x is equal to len of lst print x. Let me comment it down. Control plus slash will comment these lines. Okay, the length of the list is 5. The len function will gives the length of anything like string or digits, anything like. Okay, I will show an small example like st equal to ticky. I want I want the length of the st. It prints 5. TECHY. This is how the len works. We will go back to the follow. For the len in the range is 5. Okay, the len of the list is 5, so it is printing 0 to 4. I already said that it starts from 0. It starts from 0. Let me print the lst of I. This middle one indicates the index. That I indicates the index of the list, so it will be printed. See, techies, welcome to our channel. This is the 0th index. This is the first, second, third, and fourth. This is how it works. Index, like we can add the lst of I plus 1. I think it will be error like list out of bound because 4 is present. If I is 4 means it will be printing 5, right? Yeah, list index out of range. Okay, how it's happened? While the I is 4, the lst of 4 is channel and lst of I plus 1 means 5. The fifth element is not present in the list, so list is out of range. Okay, list is out of range, so we get the so-called error. Okay, this is all about the list and the follow up and the len function range, all you have seen. Okay guys, cheers. Let me see in the another video. Until then, bye from Vasant.